parang dito talaga natin makikita yung real talk kung saan yung mas titimbang talaga. Which is, dito tayo medyo nagkakatalo. Because ground clearance and seating height would really be a great help. Pag hindi ko ito dinadahang-dahang pag-accelerate sa mga malulubak na daan, tsak na matatamaan talaga yung chassis mo. So what is up guys? Today we're going to talk about the Honda Beat 110 Fi or the Honda RS 125 Fi. Ngayon, alamin natin kung ano or alin ang mas sulit sa kanilang dalawa. Whether the automatic scooter na maraming features or the Honda RS 125 na subok na sa masa. So wag na natin patagalin pa and let's go! The reason bakit na gawa natin tong content na to because merong nagtanong sa community natin regarding choosing a first motorcycle na bibilhin nila sa kanilang hard-earned money. Ang nag-comment dito ay si Farm Superstore. Nagpapatulong siya either the RS125 or Honda Beat. It's not bad comparison or it's not a bad question at all sa nakikita natin ngayon because Honda Beat is not that parang pipitsugin din naman sa specs and sa mga features na i-offer niya compared sa RS125. So now we're going to compare them and we will find out kung alin ang mas better or para sa'yo saan yung mas magandang motorcycle na pipiliin mo as your first ever motorcycle. So let's go. Honda RS125 and Honda Beat 110. Within their price, the Honda RS125 Fi is priced around 75,990,000 and the Honda Beat is priced around 70,990 pesos. So sa Honda Beat meron siyang tatlong variants ata. I'm not sure if parang meron silang higher end, but to make the comparison better is that pinili ko yung pinakamura na Honda Beat, yung pinaka base variant niya. So, kasi din naman si Honda RS125 is only one variant. Wala siyang other variant na pwede natin pagpilian. When it comes to it, Honda RS125 is 125cc and the Honda Beat 110 is 110cc. Makikita din naman natin na sa pangalan pa lang nila, nandun na yung cc nila. So, I'm not quite sure if big deal para sa'yo yon. But for me, it will really be a big help if mas malaki yung cc because again, my height is around 5'8 to 5'10 and weighing around 70 to 80 kilograms. So, higher cc, mas malaki yung hatak niya, mas malaki yung torque na may ibibigay niya para sa pag-arangkada nito, para sa akin. Both of their starting system is kick and starting systems, but the Honda Beat offers ACG starter system which ensures comfortable operation of idling stop system. Sa engine oil din naman, the Honda RS is 0.95 liters while the Honda Beat is 0.7 liters. Makikita natin yung dalawa na sulit yung pagpili ng motor nito kasi isang oil lang yung kailangan mong i-budget, makakapag-change oil ka na. Napakaganda nun kasi mas makakatipid tayo sa pag-maintenance ng motor nito. Next is the seating height. Honda RS offers 767mm and 740mm naman sa Honda Beat 110. And its ground clearance is 135mm para sa Honda RS125 while the Honda Beat 110 is 146mm. Dito tayo medyo nagkakatalo because ground clearance and seating height would really be a great help, especially sa height and weight ratio mo para sa motor kasi as I have said, even my motorcycle, the Honda RS125 Fi, pag hindi ko ito dinadahang-dahang pag-accelerate sa mga malulubak na daan, tsak na matatamaan talaga yung chassis mo. So, mas maliit yung ground clearance mo, mas malaki yung chance na tatamaan yung chassis mo sa baba. And that would really cause something to your motorcycle. And alam mo yun, yung medyo masakit talaga pag tumatama yung motor natin sa mga malulubak na daan. Kaya, ayun guys, if you want to consider this, always think about your height, always think about your weight, and think always about the motorcycle. If maganda ba yung height and weight ratio niya sa motorcycle. As I have said in my previous videos about the Honda RS125 Fi is that its tires is not tubeless, while the Honda Beat 110 is tubeless. So makikita natin dito na lumamang na naman konti si Honda Beat when it comes to what the motorcycle can offer compared to Honda RS125. But the front tire of the Honda RS125 is 70 by 90 by 17 and Honda Beat is around 80 by 90 by 14. And then its rear tires is around 80 by 90 by 17 and 90 by 90 by 17. So medyo mas makupad si Honda Beat 125 but mas malaki yung rims ni Honda RS125. So para sa akin guys, napakalaking help na may bibigay ang tubeless tires because mas less yung hassle mo, especially pag natamaan yung tires mo ng mga matutulis na mga bagay, especially yung mga pako or any unexpected objects na pwede makatama sa gulong mo. Doon ko masasabi na napakalaking tulong ng maibibigay ng tubeless tires. So para sa akin medyo lamang si Honda Beat doon. And then Honda RS125 FI's curb weight is weighing around 104 kilograms while the Honda Beat is 93 kilograms. So sa CC pa lang makikita natin na mas magaan talaga yung sa Honda Beat. RS naman is medyo mas mabigat talaga. So almost 10 kilograms yung difference nila. If para sa iyo, if napakalaking tulong nun, I think Honda Beat really is one of the best motorcycles na pwede mo i-consider as your starter. And then, its fuel tank capacity. Parang dito talaga natin makikita yung real talk kung saan yung mas titimbang talaga. Which is, ang Honda RS125 ay merong 3.9 liters of fuel tank capacity while the Honda Beat has 4 liters of fuel tank capacity. Makikita natin na medyo lamang si Honda Beat. But, the kilometers per liter or the KPL, mas timbang si Honda RS125 FI. In which, si Honda RS125 has 65 kilometers per liter while Honda Beat has 63.37 kilometers per liter. So, ayun guys, kung para sa'yo napaka-big deal ng KPL, then Honda RS125 wins for this. In terms of gear, the Honda RS125 FI offers a semi-automatic gearbox while the Honda Beat offers automatic or scooter. So doon natin makikita yung specs niya and doon natin makiko-compare kung para sa'yo medyo sulit ba or kapag naisip mo to, nag-consider ka nang bumili, dito natin makikita if sulit ba siya. Now, let's talk about its features. Ang Honda RS125 FI, makikita natin yung brochure na to sa hondaph.com and I'm gonna share it to you para mas ma-compare mo alin sa dalawa yung mas sulit sa'yo. So first, si Honda RS125 offers a meter panel with new dial design in which makikita natin dito na meron na siyang gear indicators in which napakagusto ko nun. And then, napaganda, napakasulit, and napaka-informative. Almost everything na need mong information is nandito. It has new stripes design compared sa motor ko. It has new decals. It has sporty muffler with cover protector. Napaka-helpful nito guys, yung cover protector. It has sporty pillion step. It has comfortable seat cushion. And it has a sporty front fender. It has sharp taillight design. And last but not the least is that it has value box. Almost features na mga sinabi ko sa aking previous videos and in which masasabi ko talagang nagagamit ko yung features na ino-offer ni Honda RS125 FI sa akin. Honda Beat offers an attractive light. It means meron siyang napakagandang lights and meron ako makikita dati na linalagyan nila ng parang LED light na magmumukha siyang parang Honda Click. So, isa yun parang na-inspire ako. Isa ito sa mga motorcycles na napaisip din ako. But, hindi ko tinuluyang i-consider talaga because of its CC. But, let's talk about that more later. Napakaganda din because it has informative semi-digital meter panel. So, in which si Honda RS125 FI ay wala. So, meron siyang analog and digital informations in which si Honda RS125 is wala. Meron din siyang sharp taillight design. Meron siyang echo indicator in which kapag tumakbong pogi ka lang, iilaw to and it means nakatipid ka sa gas. Again, it has tubeless tires. It has stylish new stripes design. Ino-offer ni Honda ito which is PGM FI and it has ACG starter. And meron siyang side stand switch in which si Honda RS125 FI is wala. And last but not the least, it has secured key shutter. So, napakaganda kasi meron siyang additional features in which meron siyang na-offer na security para sa'yo, especially kapag gagamitin mo to for trip A to trip B and hindi ka masyadong sigurado sa mga pinagpupuntahan mo. So, I think it really is a very big help sa atin if pipili natin yung Honda Beat 125 FI. So, for me, alin sa dalawa ang mas timbang? Even though napakaganda ng mga na-offers ng Honda Beat 110 FI. Para sa akin, alin sa dalawa yung bibilhin ko? First of all, napakaganda ng Honda Beat 110 FI. Napakaganda ng features, napakaganda ng security ng na-add niya. Napakaganda din kasi meron siyang gulay board in which I hope na meron sana kay Honda RS but wala. So, kudos talaga sa Honda Beat. Napakadaming features na pwede niya ma-offer. Masasabi ko dito is, for me, especially on my height and weight ratio sa motor, is mapipili ko talaga dapat yung Honda RS125 Fi. But if your height and weight does not matter that much para sa motor, then napakasulit ng 70,990 pesos mo para sa motor na to. Napakaraming features na naibigay si Honda Beat 110. But for me, Honda RS125 Fi is the better choice for my daily living. Especially na nandito ako sa Cebu. 125cc lang ang need para makatawid ka sa new CCLX bridge na inoffer ng Cebu. 125cc lang, pwede ka na makadaan as shortcut from one place to the other, from Cebu to Lapu-Lapu. So napakaganda nun, and I'll take that over the Honda Beat 110 Fi. So aside from the low ground clearance niya and the seating height position, ito talaga yung CC na parang privilege lang yata na bakit kukunin ko pa rin si Honda RS125 Fi. Other than that, the Honda Beat is a very good choice of motorcycle na pwede mong piliin as your daily beginner bike because it can get the job done, it can get from place A to place B, it can get you from anywhere else, especially kapag di mo kailangan tong gamitin for day-to-day use sa pagtawid sa bridge or anywhere else na nagni-need ng 125cc higher bikes. So, I guess the Honda Beat is a very good choice. Compared to its price, napakadaming features na naibibigay ni Honda Beat 110 over the Honda RS125 Fi. If ever naging 125cc si Honda Beat, ito talaga yung motor na masasabi kong napakasulit as your daily beginner's bike. Kasi nga, especially if nandito ka sa Cebu na 125cc lang, pwede mo nang gamitin sa CCLX Bridge. Ayun guys, parang problem solve ka kaagad. Ayun lang guys, if ever naging Honda Beat 125 to, I will really choose this motorcycle over the Honda RS125 Fi. But for now, masasabi ko talaga na Honda RS125 ang para sa akin na motor because nagtagal na sa akin to ng 5 years and makikita mo to sa video na nandito. And dito lang muna natin tatapusin ang video na to. So, if you find this video helpful, meaningful, or valuable, I want you to subscribe on my channel, like this video, make a comment down below about your thoughts. If you have any tips, advice, or any thoughts na pwede mong ma-help sa community natin below, you can comment it down, share it to everyone para mas marami tayong matulungan sa community natin. Again, kahit gaano man kahirap yung mga pinagdadaanan natin dito sa mundo or sa mga daan, sa mga pinagdadaanan mo, never ever forget that we will get there. See you in my next video. Tamang hustle hard lang and ride safe.